All right,
famous
now.
Mosha Reggae Lounge.
Say it again.
The most famous Mosha Reggae Lounge.
Oh,
Let me tell you, we're sitting down, eating, chopping it up, talking shit and swallowing spit. This is the best oxtails ever.
Damn.
He is mostly imitated, but never duplicated.
What the
You'll
fuck?
never have no oxtails like this nowhere in the world.
Thank you.
Probably only in Jamaica where it's authentic.
Yeah.
But this right here, you ain't gonna find it nowhere else.
Hey, you hear
The
that?
best oxtails in Sosua.
Damn.
I'm sorry to say, the beach don't have nothing on him.
Oh my
I got
God.
all bone.
Oh shit. Tell
This is the
tell
best
him.
place.
Tell him.
The cabbage is delicious.
Thank you, brother.
The rice is delicious.
Thank you.
And the oxtails is outstanding.
Thank you, my
Make
bro.
you want to slap your mama. Straight up. Thank you, brother.
It's his world.
Right.
When you come back, you do yours. But it's his world today. Listen.
Don't tell him you're going to try it. You try it. You hear it now. Don't wait till later.
Exactly.
We hear that all day.
Yeah, exactly.
You might not get him.
Before it's finished. So guys, so listen, guys, listen. What's your name, brother? What's your name? Hold on, let me talk to this brother. Let me talk to the brother. What's your name, brother?
My name is Cassian from
Cassian from Philly.
Yes.
And you?
Will Smith, I didn't smack Chris Rock.
Listen, this brother, he ran after me yesterday. I was going up the block.
Sure did.
And he chased after me. He said, I saw your oxtail with the Chinese and the African. They was talking about it. And I had to try. And he was so passionate. He said he went somewhere else. I ain't going to call no name because I don't like to let him do it.
Right.
I don't want to. People always. Let me tell you something, guys. Let me tell you something. I'm the first authentic Jamaican restaurant on this island.
Yeah.
Get it straight. I cook authentic Jamaican food.
Yeah. Yes, you do.
Okay? So listen to me. Anybody else you see cooking Jamaican food, well, you be the judge. But I'm doing it real.
Right.
Now, I've been here 12 years. When I first came to this country, I didn't speak the language. I'm fluent in Spanish and then some. I help my people do all kinds of stuff here. When you come into this island, help you get land cheap. I'll help you translate, whatever. There's a group of brothers here. I'm sorry to use this language. I call them bitch niggers. They got a club. They got a club. All they do is they sit down and they talk bad about me and they spread my name and they never come here to eat. Look at this brother. He can speak because he eat here. Somebody else will hear him say that and be jealous and play a hating and talk shit about me.
I know real food because I'm a cook.
There you go.
I've been a cook for years.
There you go.
You can't. You just can't give me bullshit.
Right.
There you go.
This is the best oxtails I ever had, and I can make oxtails.
There you
It's
go.
better than mine. And I
Oh my God.
consider myself an excellent cook. I'm giving this man his flowers while he's living.
Thank you.
He did.
Thank you.
The best oxtails in all the goddamn Sosua. There's only two bad motherfuckers in Sosua, and he's both of them. Right up.
Listen, guys. Listen, this man is real because he came. He said he came last night and he said, "Look,
No,
you're gonna."
I'm sorry.
Go ahead. You correct
I
me.
came last month with my wife.
Yeah.
We was in Cabarete. We caught a cab to come get this. It
Oh
wasn't
shit.
here.
Okay.
I was so upset.
Oh,
I said, I can't wait to get back down here. A month later, I'm here. Me and my wife came from Cabarete. Her being her first time, my fifth time, he was closed. I was so upset. I came the other day. I came back. He was closed. I hunted him down when I seen him. And I know it's mandatory. I had him.
He accosted me last night.
Mandatory.
He said, "You better make sure you open tomorrow when I'm coming to get my." He came and make sure. Thank you, guys. Thank you, brother. He came last night and he made sure that I would have his oxtail this today. And he came before he go do his thing at 11:30 and said, "I'm going to get my money. I'm coming back," because he wanted to try this oxtail because I think he got screwed over somewhere else. And in this island, it's very common.
Screwed over, not the word. I asked for oxtail. I got all bone.
Oh, smack.
The best thing on that platter was a solid, and you can't go wrong with solid.
And you had that on the beach?
I had it on the beach.
Oh,
it was
wow.
magically disgusting.
Well, you know something? Nobody on the beach can cook Jamaican food. Nobody. You know what they're telling? I'm going to say his name.
Okay.
This low-life guy, I'm sorry to say, but since he's talking bad about me, he used to be my neighbor.
Right.
He tell people when they go looking for me that they kick me off the beach because I don't pay my rent. Now, if they...
Really?
Yeah, that's what he said. And he don't know nothing. He's the one, he's a Haitian, he's trying to take my customer. He thinks that he can fool my customer and trick my customer into thinking that he can do what I can do. And so he's trying to cook oxtail and cook all kinds of shit and cook all kinds of stuff. And then people are going there thinking they're getting Jamaican food. And he's the one telling people, giving me a bad name. Herbie or Dave, what your name is, stop calling my name on the beach, telling people they kick me out. I said, I'm going to come down there. And when I come down to the beach, it's not going to be pretty.
Well, let me tell you something, brother. You had to do something right in
Yeah.
order to go from the beach to having this.
Thank you.
I remember when you was on the beach.
Yes,
It
yes.
wasn't as big as this.
Yes.
So it's telling you that you're doing something right.
Thank you.
You're not doing nothing wrong.
Thank you.
You went from the beach and you upgraded.
Right.
The beach place was smaller. I remember.
You know how much?
The bathroom's
You know
nice,
how much?
bro.
Thank you. Say that again.
The bathroom, this area is really beautiful.
Thank you. You know why I want you know what I want him to
The
say.
bathroom is clean.
Yeah, that
The
bathroom
cook is
is
clean.
nice.
You know what I want him to say that because
just got finished using
this brother came and did a so-called review and then talk about my bathroom. It was a disaster. This is after I told him that
is
the
a
guy.
nice bathroom there.
That
is
is
a
because
really nice
the-
bathroom.
thank you.
This is where you got to break it off. You got one side.
Yeah,
sink,
yeah.
and you got the other two doors.
Thank you. And it's not even finished
and
setting
I
up.
just got finished using it. He's
Thank
not
you.
finished setting it up.
Thank you.
So I give you all the respect on that.
Thank you, brother. So this guy came after he tried my food, and the bathroom was being fixed. So he go out talking about, oh, the bathroom is. So I said to him, look, if you just want to pee, because he said, I just want to pee. I said, the guys is working on the bathroom. They just went out to have lunch. I'll open the door and let you go in. Open the
okay,
door
I see.
and let him go inside and pee. He going to tell people, oh, my bathroom is a disaster.
But it wasn't done.
It wasn't done.
It's beautiful now.
So-
I mean,
thank you.
It's got to get done first.
Thank you.
So it's actually.
So-
it looks
so
good
I'm-
back
hater.
there, yo.
He's a hater.
Yeah,
That's
that's
what-
all the hater.
That's what he's a mystery shopper in a third world country. Why are you coming over here doing the
Why are
investigation
you
on the
hating?
bathroom that you told him need to be done?
And he's one of
a
our.
hater.
Thank you. I got a lot of that
He's
here.
trying to sabotage your business.
That's right. Thank you.
Yeah,
Listen, I'm gonna
that right
I'm
there
gonna
ain't
tell
cool,
you
yo.
something.
That
I'm
ain't
gonna
cool
tell you
at all.
something. I think this is a perfect opportunity for me to say that. I have a lot of so-called brothers here that's doing that. They sit down in the corner and they talk about me and they never come and eat my food. And they never come and try me, they never come and give me a chance. But I don't care about them. I care about brothers like you who have the courtesy to come and sit around, eat my food, and try my food. Whether you eat it or not, it doesn't matter. It's just the love that's coming from you guys.
You know I want the chicken, bro.
Yeah, man. Tomorrow I got you.
taste for chicken today, and
I got chicken wings. I got the chicken wing is finished, but I got jerk.
Okay,
But
all right.
tomorrow I have the wings for
No
you.
problem. Definitely gonna check out your wings.
Well, you have to be doing something right if you're running out of oxtails and chicken wings.
Bro.
So how could you be?
I run out of food sometimes at 12:30. On the beach, you used to have to wait an hour. Now, how long do you wait? 15, 20 minutes? 10 minutes, just so I can make some extra sauce for you.
Yep, you gave him a time. Man.
Because I run out of it, and I know people like this sauce.
Yep.
So,
It's delicious.
people, when you watch this video, when you hear all of these people, when you're sitting out in the little Miss Prissy, I call them Miss Prissy nest. You remember Miss Prissy on the cartoon?
We got some of them in Philly.
We got them here. They sit at the 3 bars. One in front, I'm not going to give them no advertisement. Another one and another one over here. And they talk about Mosha. I'm on their lips because they cannot do what I do. I'm the one who sets the standard for all these brothers to come here, because if they didn't see me here, they wouldn't come. I come to a Spanish-speaking country, never speak the language. Now I'm fluent in the business, fluent in the language, and look what God has blessed me with.
He's doing good, yo.
Thank
This
you.
is a good staggering-
Thank you,
I think
brother.
it's better.
These
Of course it's better.
This is a good location.
Excellent.
Nice.
These
man.
oxtail.
I like it. bro.
Listen,
I like it.
pause, but I'm sucking the meat off this bone.
This video gonna be on the top 3. I have 3 favorite videos.
It's real. We don't fake no shit.
No,
That's one thing.
no, exactly.
One thing we don't. There's no fake game.
No.
I'm a realist.
He's a
If I
realist,
don't like
dog.
If it Oxtail
He
wasn't
would
good,
tell
you
the
wouldn't have
truth.
said that.
He would tell you
I'm
the
a realist.
truth, though. He
If
ain't
I
not
didn't
bull.
like it, I'm gonna tell you because I'm
tell you.
spending my money.
Thank you.
My money.
Yeah.
So if I don't like it, I'm gonna let you know I don't
Yeah.
appreciate it.
And
It's
that's
not good.
you got to be truthful about
This
it.
Thank
right
you,
here,
brother.
You got to be truthful.
hands down the best oxtails, not only in Sosua, that I ever had.
Thank you. Oh my God,
That
guys,
I ever had.
you hear that, guys? You hear that? So
I
listen.
actually went to Jamaica and had oxtails. When I was in Motingo Bay, I hit with the hedonism.
And it didn't
not
come-
in a resort. It
not
wasn't
even-
as good in Jamaica.
Thank
and
you.
it was
Wow.
excellent there.
God damn, I gotta send this video to my people in the hotel so they can know.
Yup.
Yeah.
But I get
ain't
that.
lying.
You gotta be real,
Bro, I import, I don't use local spices. You know, you got people, they try to imitate Jamaican food because Jamaican food is popular. And they give us a bad name. But when you come here, I try my best to do the right thing. And I'm so happy you like it, brother. I am so happy.
No, I love it.
I'm really do, because you really put a lot of effort into getting here today to get your oxtail. And I want to say thank you, my brother.
Thank
God
you.
bless
I
you.
appreciate you.
Anything
God bless
I can
you.
do to help you, I speak the language. I have a lot of connection. You let me know.
You know what you
if
can
you
do
want to
to
buy land, yes.
Just keep winning, black man.
Thank you.
Don't let these crabs in a barrel pull you down.
That's
to get
exactly
the
what they're
best
doing. Thank you.
A hater job is to hate. Sometimes we need haters.
Yes.
Because the haters letting you know you're
Lift
doing
you up.
something right.
Thank you.
And
I'm going to tell you a story. There is a brother that's been ordering. I'm going to tell you what that hating has done to me. There's a brother that's been ordering jerk chicken from me for at least 6 years. Every time he leaves America, he would call me 2 weeks before. Mosha, I'm coming next week. Make sure you got my jerk chicken. I say, I got you, Dex. I said, when you get on the plane, leave in America, text me. So when he gets on the plane, he texts me for me to have his chicken. Yo, this brother would call me, and I gave him the utmost respect. You see me, do I look like a disrespectful guy?
Not at all.
Okay, I give him respect. His name is Dexter. I'm gonna French to say his name because he deserves it. He's been supporting me for years. So he texted me last week, and he said, Mosha. And because I lost my phone, I didn't know who it was. So I said, Dexter? He said, yes, sir. He said, I said, are you coming? He said, yeah, I'm coming next week, which is Friday. This Friday that passed. He said, I said, okay. I said, listen, give me a heads up before you come. He said, okay, I'll be there at 2 o'clock. I said, look, I have so much I'm doing. Just give me a heads up like you always do so I don't forget your chicken because I don't want to get you mad. He texts me back. He said, no heads up needed. No heads up needed. I'll be there at 2 o'clock on Friday. Are you going to be there or in Santo Domingo? Because I told him I might be in Santo Domingo.